Hello everyone, this is my project video. Today I'm going to talk about histories place in Indonesia that I find very interesting and meaningful. The place I choose is Lawang Sewu. Lawang Sewu, yeah. It is located in Semarang, Central Java, even though I'm not visiting the place directly in this video. I still want to share what makes it special and why I choose it. First of all, Lawang Sewu is a very famous landmark that many people recognize the name Lawang Sewu. Actually comes from the Japanese language. Lawang means a door and Sewu means 1,000. So the name basically means 1,000 doors. Of course, the building does literally have 1,000 doors, but it has so many doors and windows that people started calling it that way. The design makes the building look unique and different from modern architecture. Lawang Sewu was built during the third colonial era. Construction began in 1904 and was complete around 1907. At that time, it was used as the headquarters of the Dutch East Indies Railway Company, known as the Netherlands Indies Spoorweg Maatschappij. Yes, this is or NIS for short. Because of that, this building played an important role in transportation development during that period. One thing I find interesting is its architectural 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 style. Lawang Sewu use a combination of European designs, some oh no of European designs and local adaptation to the tropical climate. The large windows and many doors were not just for decoration. They have an air circulates well inside the building so that people could stay cool even during hot weather. The building has tall ceilings, wide hallways, and long corridors which give it a grand and elegant look. Yeah. During World War II, when Japan occupied Indonesia, occupied it, yes. Lawang Sewu was taken over by the Japanese military. Some parts of the building were even used as prisons. After Indonesia gained independence, the building was later used by the Indonesian National Railway Company. Over time, the place was maintained properly and became a bit neglected. How, oh, however, in 2000, the government started to restore and preserve it as a cultural heritage site. Today, Lawang Sewu is not just an old historical building, it has become a tourist destination where people can learn, learn about the past, take photos, and explore the rooms inside. Yes, some people think Lawang Sewu is haunted, haunted. Yes, sorry. Some people think Lawang Sewu is haunted because of stories about the basement and old prison areas. But for me, these stories just add to the mystery and calm of the place. I see it as part of the building long history, not just something scary. There are several parts of the buildings that visitors usually explore, such as the main hall, towers, stained glass windows, and underground areas. The, stand, the stained glass is especially beautiful and still keeps its original design. Whoa! Amazing. The restoration has made the place cleaner and more organized, it's but it still maintains its classic look. I personally choose Lawang Sewu for my project because I think relations a mix of culture, architecture, and history. Is so how Indonesia past its connection to colonial times, independence, and modern tourism. Even without visiting it directly, I can still appreciate the details, the stories, and the meaning behind the building. Another reason I feel Lawang Sewu special is because it stands as a reminder of how architecture can last through time. A building that was once an office for a railway company can now become a museum and tourist attraction. It proves that historical places change their fun, function. Yes, function, but still keep here. Oh, sorry, but still keep their identity. Yeah, identity. For me, Lawang Sewu is not only a beautiful building but also a symbol of how Indonesia preserves its heritage. I imagine walking through the corridors, looking at the windows, and thinking about the people who once, once, yes, worked there. It must have been very different in the past, but the atmosphere, yes, still feels strong and meaningful. To sum up, Lawang Sewu is more than just a building with many doors. It is a place full of stories, memories, and cultural value. From the Dutch colonial period to the Japanese occupation, and from independence to the present day, the building has witnessed many historical moments. Is why I think it is a great place to talk about and a meaningful choice for this project. Thank you for listening, and I hope my explanation help you understand why Lawang Sewu is so special to me and why it deserves attention as one of the remarkable, remarkable, cable, cable. Place in Java. Uh, Subscribe and like. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.